It's official. I've been tracking the market for 6 months now. And for months, I've been pointing out that the $9 million plus segment has been building up inventory with limited absorption. And now the tide has turned. We're finally seeing some key $9 million plus range homes go pending. While inventory levels in this range still remain high, what's changed is the pace of absorption. Some of that may be seasonal, but it's also a real-time example of how restraint in adding new inventory can help break up a market logjam. Now let's discuss the pendings that we've seen ever since February of this year. So as you can see, this is the gross pending sales from February up until today. So we have 11 in total in the $9 million plus range. We had none pending whatsoever, even gross pendings for March and April. It was a dead zone. If we're looking at the net pending sales, look at that. The entire spring season was a dead zone. There was no action. The 2 homes that went pending in May were unsuccessful. But now look at how much it's picked up that we're heading into summertime. Just in July already, we have 4. And ever since June 24th, we've had 6 homes go pending on market. So clearly spring season was not the most happening season, and now it's starting to pick up again, right? So that could also be for multiple factors. I mean, buyer hesitation, the economy, etc. But also remember that 2 out of those 6 homes had actually gone pending less than 24 hours after input into the MLS, which likely means 9 times out of 10 that they already had the buyer lined up beforehand. We are now in the healthiest stretch of pending homes in this range ever since winter. Every single one of the 6 recently pending homes has a history of price reductions except for one of them, which was one of the ones that went pending less than 24 hours after input into the MLS. So one of the 6 pending homes is in the $12 million range. And the seller has been trying to sell ever since June 2023, so for over 2 years now. And they've done 9 price reductions ever since. And they've traded hands between multiple agents. So the latest list price is just over $8.5 million below what the initial list price was. So that's almost a 41% discount. This shift shows exactly why pricing, timing, and strategic restraint in inventory matters. When supply pressure is high, flooding the market doesn't help. Pausing, even slightly, creates space for buyers to act. And the last few weeks have proven that. Let's see how this unfolds, but it's looking good. And again, I'm Tara Ravenbach, your La Jolla native insider and market analyst. Please click that follow button if you want to stay up to date with what's happening in the La Jolla detached market every single week.
Sweet